Alright, hello everybody. We are here in Pasadena, California, and if you can't tell by the color of those cones, we are going through another Fast5Xpress Car Wash location. And this is actually the first car wash video I've ever made in Pasadena, excuse me. So let's see what happens here.
Please wait while we... Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen.
Geez, $24 at this location? Really?
Please select a car wash by pressing one. Please insert your card fully into the card reader, then follow the instructions on the screen. To receive the discount on a future wash purchase, press yes. You are now ready to enter the car wash.
Guess I don't get my discount.
By following the directions on the